Business intelligence consists of the strategies and technologies used by enterprises for data analysis of business information. With the help of BI tools, you can make critical decisions for your businesses. And one such tool for business intelligence is Looker. So, hi guys, this is Arvind here from MindMajix, and today I welcome you all to this amazing video on Looker tutorial. So, before we move any ahead, let's quickly have a look at the agenda for today's session. So first we'll be starting with what exactly is Looker, and then we will talk about few of the features of Looker. Then we will have a look at the Looker architecture, and then we will try to shed some light on Looker blocks. Next, we will discuss what are the various applications of Looker, and finally we will conclude this session with Looker certification. Okay, I hope I'm clear with the agenda, guys. Pretty much simple. So before moving ahead, I want you guys to please subscribe to MindMajix YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first point here is what exactly is Looker? So Looker is a cloud-based BI tool that helps you explore, share, visualize your company's data so that you can make better decisions with respect to your business. Looker is now officially a part of the Google Cloud platform. It allows anyone in your business to analyze and find insights into your datasets quickly. Looker makes it incredibly easy to build a data exploration platform that makes your data accessible in a meaningful, intuitive way for your entire organization. So Looker uses DML. So DML is nothing but the data modeling language, and it includes a predefined framework. With Looker, you can analyze data in a very efficient and helpful manner. You can easily connect to multiple data sources, and you can then build customized dashboards, KPI dashboards, and so on. Looker helps you lay the foundation for building a data strategy to suit your specific business needs. With Looker at the center of your data strategy, you can go beyond reporting. Right from dashboards to reporting, Looker is one-stop solution for BI analytics, visualization, and data management. So this was the definition of Looker. So now let us move ahead and discuss the features of Looker. The first feature of Looker is break down barriers to insight. You can derive insights that you need by filtering to granular slices of data in very few clicks from your favorite dashboards. Also, you can introduce data into every conversation with the ability to find the answers you need on the fly right from within Slack. So the next point here is increased performance and optimized costs. With Looker, you get more from your data infrastructure investments with new features designed to improve performance, optimize cost, and this helps you manage your enterprise scale deployments in a much better way. And the third point here is build better data products faster. You can also unlock new types of data experiences and accelerate development workflows with pre-built UI components. Looker improves your product's competitive advantage and drives new revenue growth at a reduced development cost. So these were some of the highlights or the features of Looker. Now let us move on and discuss a bit about Looker architecture. So as you can see on the screen, this is the diagram which shows the working of Looker architecture. So the first point here is to connect Looker to your databases. SSL encryption and SSH tunneling provides encrypted connection and extra authentication for enhanced security. The second point shows two-factor and authentication protocols available for web and CLI based access. So here the user clients, they can access to Looker using web or CLI based methods. The third point here is that Looker resides on a server running on a Linux based OS with Java runtime. Next, the entire Looker deployment is secured behind a firewall or in a virtual private cloud. External communication from Looker includes Git integration, Looker usage and error reporting, and subscription management. And the sixth point here is MySQL database backend is used for large deployments and clustered Looker configurations. Okay, so these were the 6 points that are mentioned in the architecture. You must take into consideration the fact that hosting the Looker application is independent of where your data resides. Data always remains in the database and is not copied onto the Looker instance. You must know the minimum requirements of the server specifications on the installation steps as well as the recommended Java memory to allocate to Looker. Apart from this, the Looker application requires outbound network access for authorization, backups, email relay, Git, and license checks. By default, Looker uses a HyperSQL in-memory database as the application's internal database. In busy instances, this database can grow to be gigabytes in size, which can sometimes lead to performance issues. For these large deployments, customers should replace the HyperSQL database with a MySQL database backend. So this was the overall architecture of Looker. So the next point that we're going to discuss is Looker blocks. So Looker blocks are building blocks, which are nothing but pre-built pieces of code that you can leverage to accelerate your analytics. From optimized SQL patterns to fully built out data models, custom visualizations to weather and demographic data, you can explore all the Looker blocks as a starting point for quick and flexible analytics in Looker. So there are various types of blocks in Looker, such as analytics blocks, source blocks, data tools blocks, Viz blocks, and embedded blocks. So now let us move on to the next point. So the next point here is the applications of Looker. So you can use Looker in wide variety of fields or domains, as you can see. And the first point here is sales analytics. You can organize account leads, contacts, and opportunities quickly right out of the box. You can also handle every stop of your sales with governed and customized workflows. Then you can also combine the data from different systems to obtain meaningful insights that can benefit your stakeholders. And next, it helps you maximize retention as well as upsell, and at the same time, it minimizes the churning. So if you talk about the digital marketing analytics, you can customize powerful reports around components such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, etc. Next, it helps you grasp ad spend across different mediums with a unified dashboard that is cross-channel. And you can also make informed bid changes, that too on the spot, that are related to updates of active ad performances. And the third application here is web analytics. You can support your teams by providing access to trusted data from Google Analytics that is shareable. You can also dig deeper into your website with cross-property analysis, create schedules, dynamic cohorts, and so on. Next, through a single point of truth, you can sharpen visibility into sales and marketing. So these were some of the applications of Looker. And the last point that we are going to cover in this video is Looker certification. So guys, you must be knowing that why at all do we need certification? Okay, so a Looker certification means that you are an expert within the data community. With Looker certification, you can showcase your potential with your Looker knowledge, and you can add the skills onto your resume by clearing the certification exam. So these are benefits of getting certified with Looker. Not just Looker, be it in any field, a certification certainly helps you in your job, or you can say in your career growth. So with respect to Looker, there are basically two certifications. The first one being Look ML Developer. So this exam covers topics such as Look ML code development, maintenance, troubleshooting, caching policies, and data modeling best practices. So this exam expects that you're at least comfortable with SQL and have 3 to 6 months of experience with the skills before you register for this exam. And the next certification for Looker is the Looker Business Analyst. With this exam, you can learn about report development in Looker, visualization of data, and best practices related to dashboards. So it is recommended to have at least 6 months of experience with these skills to clear this certification exam. So Looker is definitely a tool to watch out for the features and the robustness that it provides. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I've covered maximum points with respect to Looker in this tutorial. If you guys have any doubt related to Looker or related to this video, then you can write them in the comments box below, and my team is here to help you with all your queries and doubts. So that's it from my side in this session. Thank you so much.